today we're going to open up our Ryan's World mystery boxes.
Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray! We got these from B-Man and Luna. So thank you, B-Man and Luna.
Thank you, B-Man and Luna.
Yeah, that's so awesome. Let's open them up and see what's inside. And we're going to smash it open with the hammer. You have to use your, I think you have to use your hands for this one. Okay, open it up. What's inside? What's in there? Whoa! What is it? It's Legos! It's like little Lego Ryan. Yeah, it's a little Lego Ryan, see? A little Lego Ryan. Okay. Alright, so we have got blue. What color? What color? And? Good job. Blue, yellow, orange, and green. And now you gotta use your hammer on it. We want to start with orange? Okay. Go ham. Break it. Get it. Break it open. Break it open. There you go. You gotta keep hammering it. Hammer. Yeah, break that open. You can do it. What's inside? What is it? Let's look. I think I know what this is. It's putty. Yeah, it's goo. It's gold glue. Let's keep opening stuff up. Or do you want to play with it first? Do you want to open up the next one, or do you want to play with that? Let's open up the next one, and then we'll play with them all afterwards. Hold on. I know, so much fun. Okay, what color do you want next? Blue? Okay, we gotta open the door. That one looks like a tough one. Ooh, what's in here? What's inside there? What is that? Let me look. Ooze mixing powder. We can make our own ooze. You mix it into a cup with water and it gets all goopy goo. We're gonna have to do that too. What color do you want next? Green or yellow? Yellow? Okay, let's see. All right, we got another smash one. Use the hammer and smash that open. Nope, smash it. Go with the hammer. And rip it open too. Oh, what is it? I want to know. What is that? Is it a shark? You want to open the green one? It is a shark. It's a shark with like headphones on. How cute is that? You like wobbles? And now the green one? All right, here. Gotta open the door. Open the door like this with your finger. Open the door. There we go. And now Hulk smash with the hammer. Yeah! Rip it open. Who's inside? Who is that? It's real Ryan? Wow, that is so cool. The superhero Ryan. Oh, you want to do it? Want to switch it now? Okay, I'll come back. We'll come back to that guy. Let's go with the goo. Slime. Ooh, let's look at the slime. Oh, want to start with It's so slimy. Ew, you touch it. You touch it. Get it. It is slimy. Get it. Can you get it out? Wow. And it's gold, which is a really cool color. What do you think of that slime? He's yucky. Here, look. It's like a booger. Yeah, it's like a big booger. And it's stuck on the trash. You got a big booger. Ew. Got a big booger. A big gold snot. It is slimy. It's shiny slime too, huh? Show the camera your slimy gold. It's cute? Let's take it off you. Okay, we'll take it off your sweater too. It's sticking to mommy now. Yeah. Ew. Shark's name? Do you have a name for your shark yet? What's his name? Dino Shark? Ooh! Oh, you can get slime all over him, huh? What does he have on his head? Headphones, yeah! What do you think he's listening to? Is he listening to music? Yeah, I got slime everywhere. We're gonna have to go wash our hands.